Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Sweeney. Today we're going to be doing Topic 5, Lesson 2, Reading and Writing Numbers. So let's get started. You are going to need your math notebook and pencil, and then when you get it, open up to your next clean page and write today's date at the top. October 13th, 2020. So we can write that as 10-13-20. Go ahead and pause the video, get your materials, and write today's date at the top, and then come back when you're finished and press play. Let's go on. So now we're going to do the Common Core Review warm-up. So I want you to solve these 4 problems on your math notebook. Go ahead and pause the video at this time and complete these 4 problems, and when you're done, come back and press play, and we'll check them together. Let's go ahead and start with number 1. Which number is shown by the blocks? So I see place value blocks. The first 2 are 10 rods, and there's 1, 2. There's 2 tens. So we count by tens. 10, 20. So I'm going to put a 2 in the tens place. Then there's 3 ones. So I'm going to put the 3 in the ones place. That makes the number 23. I see that right here in choice B, 23. Let's go to number 2. Which addition fact has the same sum as 8 plus 7? Okay, so I know I need to first solve 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 equals 15. So now I need to look and see which one of these addition sentences also has the same sum of 15. This one has 17, 16, 15. So choice C, 10 plus 5 equals 15, which is the same as 8 plus 7, that equals 15. Now let's go to number 3. Alex has 3 magazines about sports, 4 magazines about animals, and 5 magazines about hiking. How many magazines does he have in all? Okay, so I need to know all the magazines he has in all. So that's 3 plus 4 plus 5. Now what I want to do first is see if I can find a number that we can add together to make 10. I don't see a number we can add together to make 10, but I do see a near double, 5 and 4. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. Now I need to add the leftover 3. So what is 9 plus 3? 9 plus 3 is 12. So that means my answer is 12. 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 12. So choice A, 12 magazines. Number 4, draw a picture to show your answer. Jamal has 4 bags with 10 marbles in each bag. He has 3 marbles that are not in a bag. How many marbles does Jamal have in all? Okay, we need to draw a picture. The first thing we need to do is think about the 4 bags with 10 marbles in each bag. So I'm going to draw 4 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my 4 bags. They have 10 marbles in each bag. So I'm going to do the number 10 in each bag. 10, 10, 10, 10. The last thing is he has 3 marbles that are not in a bag. But we do want to know how many he has total, so we need to just draw those 3 kind of on their own. 1, 2, 3. Now, I need to find out how many that is in all. So let's look. 10, 20, 30, 40. So 40 here in the bags, and then 3 left out. So 40, 41, 42, 43. So Jamal has 43 marbles in all. Now we are going to watch the video for today's lesson, Reading and Writing Numbers. Let's get started.
The number 64 has 2 digits. 6 is one of the digits. 4 is the other digit. How many digits are in the number 64? The number 64 has 2 digits, so it is a 2-digit number. Put the digits on a place value mat. 6 tens is 60. 4 ones is 4. How many tens cube trains do you use to show 64? You use 6 tens cube trains to show 64. When the digits 6 and 4 are placed on the place value mat, do the digits stay in the same order? The first digit, 6, goes on the left in the tens column, and the second digit, 4, goes on the right in the ones column. The number word for 60 is 60. The number word for 4 is 4. Put the number words together. When you write the two number words together, why do you place a hyphen between them? You place a hyphen between two word numbers to connect them into one number word. Now you know how to read and write numbers. Think about how you would write the number 71.
So, what we're going to look at first is a list of numbers. And what I have here are just the ones. I have the number and I have how to write it in its word form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I have our numbers with our teens. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And last, I have the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Now, this list can help us if we don't know how to write a number. We can come back and look at how to spell it using this list. The two vocabulary words that we're touching on today are digits and number word. But first, we're going to start with digits. Each numeral is a digit. 64 has 2 digits, 6 and 4. So those are the 2 digits in the number 64. The number word. The names for numbers are called number words. The number word for 60 is 60. S-I-X-T-Y. That is the number word for the number 60. So let's get started and first practice writing the number when we have the number word. So Miss Sweeney's going to do the first 2 by herself. Then I'm going to let you try the last 2. So the first one we're going to do is the number 57. And that's how we read it, 57. Now, if you notice, there's a little hyphen right there. You use the hyphen when you're writing with numbers in the teens. In the tens. You use the hyphen when you're writing numbers with the tens. So now let's look at the number 57. I know that, let's go back. I know the number 57 needs to look like a 5 in the tens, a 7 in the ones. 57. Okay? Next, let's look at the next one. 31. Again, it has a hyphen because this is a number in the tens. 31. 30, I know, has a 3. in the tens place. 1 has a 1 in the ones place. 31. Now I want you to try the next two on your own. Pause the video, come back when you're ready. The next one is 90. 90 looks like 9, 0. Those are the numbers. 9, 0, 90. 14 is the next one. 1, 4. 14. All right, now let's do a little bit of practice with writing the number word. So first we're going to watch Miss Sweeney write the number word, and then you will get to practice on your own. The first number is 54. 54 is what I need to write out in the number word. So 50, F-I-F-T-Y. This one needs the little dash or the hyphen because it's a number in the tens. 54. Now I need to write 4, F-O-U-R, 4. Now my next one I'm going to try on my own. This is the number 60. So I need to write the number word for 60. 60, S-I-X-T-Y. Now this one does not need a hyphen because it doesn't have another digit besides the 0 here in the ones place. Now I want you to try the last two numbers and write the number word for them. Come back and press play when you are finished. The next number is 41. So first I'm going to write 40, F-O-R-T-Y. Then I need my hyphen, my dash, because there's another digit besides a 0 behind the 4. 1, O-N-E, 41. Next is 38. So I'm going to come down here and spell 30, T-H-I-R-T-Y, and it needs a dash because there's another number behind it that's not a 0. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 38. All right, now let's look at a problem together. It says make a list to show your answer. How many two-digit numbers can you make using the digits 3, 4, and 7? Use each digit once in each number. So remember, a two-digit number means we need at least 2 of these numbers, 2 of them to come together to make a number. So Miss Sweeney will do one as an example, and then I'm going to let you go on and finish the rest on your own. So the first number that I might make is the number 34. The 3 and the 4 make 34. That's one number that I can make that is using 2 of the digits. See how many more you can make only using the 3, 4, and the 7. And only use each digit once in the number. That means do not give me the number 33. Do not use the same number 2 times. Pause the video, see how many numbers you can make, and then come back and see how you did. All right. Miss Sweeney's going to give you your answers. So 34, 37, 43, 47, 74, and 73. So you should have these 6 numbers written down. All right, let's go to one last problem. Look at the cubes. What number do they show? Which of these is the number word? So I want you to look at these cubes, and then I want you to come over here and choose which one of these is the correct number word that matches the number shown. You can pause the video at this time and answer on your notebook paper, and then when you're done, come back. All right, there's 2 10 rods, so that's 20, 10, 20. Then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so 25. So you should have selected choice C, 25 as your answer. All right, guys, that concludes our video lesson for today. Now head on back into Schoology to complete your assignment. Bye, guys.